In the modern world, we often treat science and philosophy as separate continents, one concerned with facts, the other one's concerned with meaning. But when it comes to health, this division is not benefiting us. Science asks how life works. Philosophy asks why life matters. And in medicine, both questions are very much important. Yet, since Enlightenment, the scientific method has learned to isolate variables, to simplify what is complex, and to measure what can be controlled. That approach gave us vaccine surgeries, extraordinary knowledge of the body, but it also left something behind, the relationship that make the body alive and meaningful. In the article, Ayurveda and Circadian Medicine, Bridging at Epistemological Gaps, I call this tension the epistemological abyss. It is the distance between two ways of knowing, the mechanist that explains through parts and the organicist that understands through wholeness. In the mechanist view, the sum of parts equals the whole, but in the organicist view, the whole is greater than the sum of the parts. One builds machines, the other cultivates gardens and also ecosystems. Ayurveda offers a bridge between these two worlds. It doesn't reject science, it completes it. It accepts measurement as something positive, but it insists on meaning, on purpose. It observes metabolism, but with ecology, emotion, and time. To study Agni digestive capacity is not merely to track enzymes, it's to study awareness transforming matter into life force, prana. This perhaps is where science and philosophy finally can meet, not in competition, but in conversation. When we allow evidence to experience and to coexist, medicines become more than repair, more than treating disease. It becomes wisdom in action. So, the next time you hear the word scientific, remember that true science does not exclude wonder and self-perception. It measures and then asks, what does this mean for a purposeful life? In that question, science becomes philosophy again, and philosophy again becomes medicine. So if you did not see our article, please do so. It's really incredible.